Having been to quite a few countries which are famous for their street markets, I would say fruits, vegetables, and spices are the most common options. This rings especially true for Asian countries, where locals often prefer selling and purchasing fresh products on the streets. Accessories are also popular items, especially in markets which are situated in touristy areas. You know, travelers are always fascinated with buying these small pieces as souvenirs. That totally depends on what I need to purchase. When it comes to luxury products like perfumes or jewelry, for sure, I would lean towards a department store over a market on any given day, purely because the former tend to be much more trustworthy and can ensure the product's authenticity and provenance. But if what I need to buy is simply some daily grocery, a street market in the vicinity of my house will probably outprice any established supermarkets. So again, it depends on the product. Probably a week ago, and the one that I visited was actually quite unique, since it was an outdoor market and it was specialized in electronic devices. Pretty unexpected, right? Had it not been for my father's recommendation, I would have never even known about its existence. I don't think that should even be a question at this point. No matter how ubiquitous supermarkets and convenience stores have become in the past few decades, street markets are still a common way of life. Even in the biggest cities of my country, they are just a very special thing for the Vietnamese people, you know.